Getting views, but no sales? This is one of the most common problems creators run into. And most people misdiagnose it. They blame their niche, their pricing, or the platform. But in most cases, the real issue is much simpler. Messaging clarity. Quick pause. If you're building a digital business and want more content like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. Because if people don't clearly understand what you do, who it's for, and why it matters, they won't buy, no matter how many views you get. Views measure attention, sales measure clarity and trust, and those are not the same thing. A lot of content performs well because it entertains, inspires, or educates lightly, but it doesn't actually connect to a clear transformation. So what happens? People watch, they like, they scroll, but they don't take action. Without clarity, content becomes consumption, not conversion. Most creators don't have a content problem. They have a message problem. Your content might be high quality, consistent, and even valuable, but the positioning is unclear. And when positioning is unclear, the audience can't identify themselves. The value feels vague, and the offer becomes easy to ignore. If this is hitting for you, drop a quick like. It helps this reach more creators. Clear messaging does three things. It identifies the right audience, it defines the transformation, and it removes confusion. If your message feels complicated, simplify it. A strong starting point is this: I help 𝗔𝗓𝗂𝘀𝗂𝘀𝗀 achieve 𝗔𝗂 without 𝗔𝗂𝘂𝘂𝗀. This works because it answers three key questions instantly. Who is this for? What result do they get? And what problem is removed? Example: I help creators build digital products without relying on constant content. Now the audience immediately understands. They understand who it's for, what they gain, and why it matters. That's what clarity looks like. Let's look at 3 mistakes that block sales. Mistake 1, being too vague. I help people grow. Too broad equals low conversion. Mistake 2, trying to speak to everyone. When your message is too wide, no one feels seen. Mistake 3, overcomplicating the explanation. Clarity converts, complexity confuses. If you've made one of these before, comment clarity below. I read the comments and I'll help you refine your message. Once your messaging is clear, it should stay consistent across every platform. That means your content, bio, offers, and captions all reinforce the same core message. This is what turns scattered content into a system. You're reinforcing a clear idea repeatedly, and over time, that builds authority. If you're getting views but not sales, don't immediately change your niche or your offer. Start with your message. Write this sentence: I help achieve without she. Refine it until it feels clear and specific. Because once your message is clear, your content stops just attracting attention and starts creating action. If this helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and share it. Check out the Entrepreneur Identity Quiz at digitaldoll369.com/quiz. And if you want to go deeper, grab the AI Business Starter Kit at digitaldoll369.com. Build once, scale forever.